Hello friends, you are putting hard work, working day and night on your YouTube channel and it's paying off with an increased number of subscribers. That's a great news. However, there is something important to address that you are also losing subscriber at the same time. It is very important to understand the reasons behind of these losses as your hard work is losing. Today we are diving deep into the analytics to uncover the mystery of lost subscribers and brief introduction, the importance of tracking lost subscriber for channel growth.
To get aware with the reasons behind losing your YouTube subscribers, first open up the dashboard of your YouTube channel. Now, from here you can see the current subscribers of your channel, but to check out the list of losing subscribers, let's explore the analytics of your channel. As you can see here, the list of the current subscribers, total views, watch time, and estimated revenue is showing to you, but not the list of lost subscribers. Hence, we will scroll it down a little to explore it thoroughly and will finally click on the live count option. From here, you are allowed to see the list of gaining subscribers within the time period, such as the last 7 days subscribers and all. Next to this, we will click on the Advanced Mode option from where you can see the line chart of multiple options such as traffic, content, playlist, subscription source, and much. Now, you need to click on the Select Secondary Metric button and we'll click on the More Metrics option. As you can see, the entire options page has been opened to you, so you need to click on the Subscribers Lost option. Once you have clicked on the Subscribers Lost option, it will enable you to see how many subscribers you have lost on which of your YouTube video along with their proper percentage effects. Apart from this, you are also allowed to see the list of lost subscribers within a proper time period. For this, we will click on the drop-down button showing in the top right corner. From here, you will get option to check the lost subscribers list of last 7 days, last 28 days, last 90 days, and more. For example, first, we have to check the lost subscribers list of the last 7 days where we have lost 6 subscribers. Next, we'll check for the last 90 days list where we have lost 83 subscribers. And finally, we will click on the lifetime option which shows that we have lost 1959 subscribers so far since the time we have created the channel. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.